Let's count with the monster trucks!
Yippee!
Yahoo!
Hey there, monster truck fans! I want to hear you cheer in the stands. Meet the monster trucks, all shiny and new. Here we go! I'll introduce them to you. There's Bolt, who is lightning fast. I doubt he will ever come in last. Boom Boom's next, excited as can be. He's a bit clumsy, as you will soon see. Ladybug is brave and loves to do flips. There is no end to her amazing tricks.
Yeah!
Ollie is cautious and always takes his time. He thinks things through. That's the reason why. Dragon likes to show off and often brags. Watch him go as he zigs and then zags. Buzz is a silly one, there is no doubt. He bounces and buzzes as he moves about. Star practices new tricks and is always ahead. She's helpful, kind, and so talented. Now, let's begin our counting show. The trucks will help us, and off we go. 1. Bolt quickly spins high up in the air. 2. Boom Boom slips, then jumps with room to spare. 3. Ladybug twists and twirls as she flies. 4. Ollie moves slowly forward when he tries. 5. Dragon performs so confident and bold. 6. Buzz laughs and takes his turn in the show. 7. Star shines with her tricks on the track. 8. Bolt takes a second turn and is quickly back. 9. Dragon wants you to watch him. 10. There's Boom Boom, who takes another try. That was great counting with your newfound friends.
Yeah!
Let's continue on before this ends. All the trucks had so much fun, but they're not ready to be done. The trucks want to do it all over again. They're ready to help us count faster up to 10. 1. Bolt quickly spins high up in the air. 2. Boom Boom slips, then jumps with room to spare. 3. Ladybug twists and twirls as she flies. 4. Ollie moves slowly forward when he tries. 5. Dragon performs so confident and bold. 6. Buzz laughs and takes his turn in the show. 7. Star shines with her tricks on the track. 8. Bolt takes a second turn and is quickly back. 9. Dragon wants you to watch him. 10. Oh, there's Boom Boom, who takes another try. Whew. The trucks look beat and need a rest. I'm sure you'll agree they have done their best. Now the numbers want to steal the show. Trucks, stay where you are and don't you go. Girls and boys, can you count with me?
Yeah!
Follow the numbers and shout quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You did that well, right to the end. Do you want to go faster? I hear the numbers say. So let's try it faster, even faster today. Jump along and have more fun. Let's all start now with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Way to go, numbers, trucks, and friends. Hip, hip, hooray! And now it's the end.
Oh,
Good evening. I am Zero Martindale.
And I'm Joe Sixpence.
And we're here for another exciting night of mischief, mayhem, and hard trucking sports action.
Yes, we have a number of strong competitors tonight.
Yup, 5 trucks, 20 wheels, all revved up and ready to go. Competitor number 1 is Bolt. Bolt is all about fulfilling his needs for speeds. Okay, that sounded better than theirs.
Then we have competitor number 2, Boom Boom. Boom Boom is known for great enthusiasm. Always excited, always lovable. If he only paid a little more attention while on the course. Yep, he's a clumsy one.
Next up on the lineup is competitor number 3, Ladybug. Don't be fooled by her sweet girly exterior. Ladybug is fearless, loves to do tricks, and is unafraid of getting her tires muddy.
Then we have competitor number 4, Ollie. Ollie's got the brains all right, but he's very cautious. I am not sure how he'll do in a show like this.
Finally, we have competitor number 5, Dragon. Dragon's ready to breathe some fire tonight. He's strong, tough, and loves to be the center of attention. There's no bigger fan of Dragon than Dragon himself.
Well, that's enough talk. Time for some action! Ready for the countdown 0?
You bet. And we're going to count down backwards from 10 like we always do.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First up is Bolt. Bolt's gonna wow all of us tonight by attempting to do 10 laps around the course in 10 seconds.
Yeah!
And he's off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm sorry, Joe. Did something just happen? I must have blinked my eyes and missed it. Next up is Boom Boom. Oops. As we said, Boom is not always the best when it comes to this little thing called paying attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Next up is Ladybug.
Yes!
She's gonna knock our socks off tonight by jumping through 10. That's right, 10 flaming hoops. My, she is playing with fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, Ladybug can do anything the boys can do. Whoa! Next up is Ollie. Can you believe he's going to attempt to jump over 10, I repeat, 10 automobiles tonight?
I won't believe it till I see it, Zero.
Look at him. He's counting each car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It looks like Ollie changed his mind. What a bummer. I hope he tries again.
This just in. Since Ollie has decided to sit this one out, Dragon is going to take his place and perform the jump instead.
Yeah!
And here he goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He did it!
Thank you for joining us for another night of Monster Truck Mayhem. I'm Zero Martindale.
And I'm Joe Sixpence.
And we're signing off. Make sure you tune in next time. We'll be counting on you.